Yeah, good day guys. Welcome to the Ishga YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to design a 2023 new petty flyer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the business of today. So the first thing you have to do is to delete this one first. Then after that, go to your image size. Then change the image size to 905 1280. So this is actually what I need. So after that, I have to click on my import. Then I go to my Pinterest. So this is actually where my materials are. So after that, good. So this is it. Good. So this is it. So after that, the next I have to do now is to go to my relative size, then increase it. So can you see it? So after that, the next step is to leave it like this, lock it. So after locking it, the next step to do now is to click from my gallery again. Then I'm going to my download. So for my download, I have to use this one. Then I have to do something like this. Good. So can you see? Just crop it. So after copying it, the next thing I have to do is go to my relative size again, increase it. So can you see it now? So after increasing it, the next thing I have to do now is to bring it down. So can you see it now? Look this one. So this one now, you go to your opacity. This one, then you reduce it. So can you see it? Good. So you're actually moving forward. Good. So after that, the next thing I have to do is to click on my shape now. Click on this shape, break it down, just do something like this. Good. Good. So after that, you go to your gradient color. Give it gradient color. So this is actually the gradient that I gave it. Good. I gave it 3 gradient color. So can you see it now? So the first one is the color code is E54200. E54200. The second color is FF8A36. Then the third color DA000. So that is the color code that I gave them. So actually, can you see now? Good. So after that, the next thing you have to do now is to go to my opacity, then reduce it again. So can you see right now? Good. We are actually moving forward. So what is the next thing I have to do right now? So the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my gallery. Then I have to my image. So I use Canva to remove this background. So after that, the next thing is to go to my 3D rotate it like this. Go reduce it a little bit, then place it here. So can you see it? Good. So just place it here. So after that, then you go to your filter. Yeah, you include the is it O? Okay, good. The O, just do something like this. I think minus 16 is okay. Then go to your contrast. Then you increase it a little bit. So can you see it nice? Actually nice. So after that, the next thing I will have to do right now is to lock this for a while. So the next I have to do now is go to my gallery, go to another image, then I will have to choose from my piece PSCC. Good. So I have to choose a flower, a blood flower. So let's assume this is the one I want to choose. Good. So now I have to choose it, place it here. So I'm choosing another one. Go to my gallery again. I'm choosing this one. So now I have to rotate it something like this a little bit. Then I have to place it here. So just make sure it covers and can increase it a little bit. Just make sure it covers that this place. So can you see it? Good. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to lock it. Actually move forward. So what is the next time to do right now? The next time to do right now is to click on my shape. Now I click on this, give it a radius of 9, reduce the opacity, then go to your stroke, then give it stroke of 1 is okay, 1 is okay. Give it white color, then break it down here. Good. So after that, you click on it. Now go to your opacity again, reduce it again to something like this. So just move it up a little bit. So can you see right now? Good. So what is the next time to do right now? The next time to do right now is to click on my text. So I have to write start. You know, start is actually start. So give it like this. Go to your fonts again. So I'm choosing Bebas for the font. Bebas. Bebas regular. Good. So you can actually increase the font here. Good. So zoom your work now. Zoom it very well. Good. So let's place it here. Good. So can you see right now? So I'm to actually decrease it a little bit. Good. So you go to your opacity. You reduce the opacity to it's okay like this. Good. 1060 is okay. Then you duplicate it. Then you write let's assume February. Give it actually this again. Bring it here. Good. So now the next time to write the date. It's in the 5th. So let's assume to write in the 5th. To place it here. Good. So the 25th to increase the opacity 100 is okay. So after that, bring it down a little bit like this. Good. Then you click on your plus button, click on text, then you write time 11 p.m. Good. Change the capital letter. Good. Bring it down here, decrease it. So the next thing now is to go to your font. Go to your font. So after go to your font, just you can use Montestera 7 bold for it. Or Montestera bold, you are good because we are reusing it, so it will actually be okay like this. So I think it's okay. We leave it like this. So let's check what we just did. So this one needs to be way aligned. Good. So let's check what we did right now. So can you see it's actually okay? Good. So what is the next thing we're going to be doing now? The next thing is to copy this 25, copy it, then you write music policy. Good. You bring it down here. So the next thing I'm to do now is to click on my text. Then you give it this gradient color actually. Then it's actually okay. Just this one is actually 2. So can you see it? Just use 2 color out of it. Then you place it here. So the next thing I just copy this time, duplicate it, then you write TJS. So let's assume it's TJS. Good. So you can increase here to so after that go to your color, just give it this color. That color is ash color, mainly ash color. So next thing is to position this very well. Good. So after that, the next time to do next, go to my gallery, go to my download. Then I have to put this one actually. So this one just crop it a little bit. So after cropping it, the next thing I have to do right now is to go to my eraser. Good. So when you go to your eraser, increase this one a little bit. This one actually. So you go. So let's go. So just clean all this one, clean all this actually, all those shadow, clean it. So you can see it, good, clean the shadow. So we actually go to go. So can you see no shadow again? So after you're done, just place it here. Yeah, good. So I think good. So the next time to do right now is to click on this, actually click on the text, then I write party. So after the party, you write it like that. Then the next thing you have to do now is to go to my font, then you click on autograph. Autograph, good. So I think how to use good. You can include it here so you can be able to drag it. Good. So after that, just place it here. So when you place it here, move it to the back of it. So can you see it? Good. So after that, the next time to do now is to actually lock this picture. So I want to increase a little bit. Good. Then move this picture up, up, up. Okay. Move this one to the back. So just at the back of it. Good. Should be at the back. So raise it again. So it should be something like this. Okay, this one too should come to the back of it. So can you see it now? Good. So you're actually good to go. So what am I going to do now? The next thing I'm going to do is to bring this one up. Good. This also should come up. Good. Not upon this. Good. So what I'm going to do now? Next I'm going to do is to bring this one up a little bit. Good. Move this 2. This policy 2. Pushing it up. Good. So we're actually moving forward. So what is the next thing we're going to do right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my shape now. Just bring them down here. Good. Just place it here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this DJ as. Then I'm going to click on at club center. Good. So I want to place this one here. Create a little bit. So the next time to do right now is to click my shape, change to round color. Good. Then place it here. Exactly like this. Then go to your color. Change to this one naturally to red. Good. Place it like this. Just hold it like this. So the next time I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on text, then click on 18 plus. So after that, the next thing you're going to do now is to go to your font, then you choose your Montestera font we are using. So you just choose semi bold for it. So the next thing is to increase the size, then drag it here, decrease it very well. After that, you can zoom your work. You're actually at the last place, so just zoom it like this, zoom it, then bring it down here. Good. Just rotate it like this. Good. So let me use my position key to move it. Still need a little bit. Good. Good. So the next thing now is to copy this one a little bit again. Then you actually write event, hit plus event. Good. So just make sure it is actually good. So the next thing you can do now is to just to go to your space and then you space it a little bit. Good. Then move this one down here. Good. So let's check what we just did right now. So can you see now that everything is plumping? So just remove this one to be well aligned. Good. So we are actually done. So the last thing on the list we're going to be doing is to click on my gallery. Yeah, go to my download. So I'm going to click on light. Actually, the one I'm looking for is not here. This is not what I use. So I'm going to click on light again. Light. So actually leave it. So just leave it like this. Come back here. Use it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to reduce the opacity. Good. Duplicate it. Go to your 3D rotate. Rotate it. Take place like this back. So can you see that everything is plumping? Good. Good. So we're actually done. So the next thing I'll do next is to go to your save as project, save as image. So save as PNG and save as Ultra. So that's why I save my image. Thank you for watching.